How's it going, everybody? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today's video is another short one, and it's not going to be that long, I promise. It's based off of some emails, some messages on Instagram, Facebook, just scattered here and there. So if you do not want to watch this video, because it's not really car related, but it is my life related, then by all means feel free to not watch it. But I do appreciate the ones that do, I really do. And what is that video about? It's taken about a year to come to fruition, and I'm just going to go ahead and say it. The freaking road. Everybody's been wanting to know if the construction is done, if it's over, is it finished, what does it look like, how to turn out. So I'm going to show you. Well, let's see, it's June 28th, 2019, and I started hearing rumors of this somewhere around 2017. Oh, the bypass is coming, the bypass is coming. And I'd been hearing about it for probably a decade in the news, you know. People, basically corruption, I'll just leave it at that. Of course, anytime any big project is involved, there's corruption, right? And then finally all that got solved, all the lawsuits got taken care of and all that good crap, and it started happening. We were contacted by the people who are responsible for purchasing land where they have to come through. Now, it didn't affect my land much. I lost 2 huge trees that my wife's grandfather, what would that be? My wife's uncle's daddy planted when he first moved in this house, because he was the original owner, and that's the reason why we're here. We wanted to keep the family in the house. Keep the house and the family. God, what is wrong with me today? Life, man. But long story short, that's really all I lost. I gained a lot, but that's really all I lost. But I wanted to talk to you here because when I get out there, cars zooming by, might not be able to hear me that good. It's all but finished. They still have a few things to tidy up. They came through the other night with the lights blaring in the bedroom, which I'll show you. And now that all that construction is basically over, I can clean the windows again. They are so dusty on the front of the house from all the construction. I'm gonna just pressure wash the whole house. The first thing I get pressure washer. But yeah, it's all done. They come through the other night, put the stripes on. And there's a few tidying up, and they still have to get the barrels up. There's a few odd end things here. I know they still got more to do further down the road at some of the other exits and stuff. But let's get around in front of the house and I'll show you. Yeehaw, this is how I have to go home now, ladies and gentlemen. What fun, what fun. Holy crap. Look at what a mess. Well, it's a long way back here. But as you can see, they still got a ways to go yet. This is looking up back toward the other road, toward the highway. And if you come back around this way, this is the road going toward our house. And we live basically over there. And then of course there's the new bridge. I guess all this over here will be the lanes to get on the highway coming from our house. And that's naturally looking back toward Monroe. All this for a little bit of money. Crazy. Nope, they're not done. A year later, they're still not finished. But they're getting closer. I think they're getting ready to paint the white stripes on the road. As you can see, they're on there. They did the yellow the other day, and then they did all the turn markers and stuff up there. So we'll see. If they do it, I'll grab a quick video. But no, they're not done. Brr.
Fire them up. Double a buck now. Give up. Give me a fucking buck. What do you mean now?
As you can see, I've got two huge trees right here. I mean huge. This one of course has been butchered over the years by the power line people. But there used to be four. That one, this one, and there used to be another one about where that tree is, and another one about where that last tree is down there. But yeah, they've come back through. They've repaved everybody's concrete they tore up. They've come along, they finished off all the ditches. Best they're going to finish them, I guess. They came along and put the lines on the other night. Like I said, they did the yellow, the middles first, and then they came back and did the white ones. But here's what it looks like. This is the finished product. I'll put the beginning and the middle and all that good stuff in front of this, so by the time you see this, you'll know what's going on. But this is what we got. Let me walk down here and I'll show you. But yeah, it's all but done. They got to come back and get the barrels. Gotta love traffic. It's almost quitting time on Friday, so we did redo our mailbox out of all this because they destroyed the last one. I'm waiting on these cars to go by and then I'll talk to you. Morning, Glory Vine. As you can see, this mailbox is toast. We're leaving it here because for whatever reason, somebody just keeps hitting this mailbox. And we don't want it to mess ours up, so we're just leaving the post. They're not putting up another mailbox. But there's the road. Yeah, the bypass. And one thing everybody has put up such a fit about, not wanting, myself included, I didn't want it, didn't ask for it. And now I got to pay to ride on it after my tax dollars built it. What fun. But there it is.